The Huawei Mate XT Ultimate Trifold represents the next generation of foldable smartphones, taking things beyond the conventional two-part flip design and embracing a trifold format that not only expands the concept of mobile technology, but also challenges the very definition of a smartphone. Some were better than others, but none captured my imagination like the Huawei Mate X3 Pro. Nor did any offer such a striking blend of cutting-edge technology, elegance, and raw power. When completely unfolded, the Mate XT Ultimate Trifold flaunts a massive 10.1-inch display, making it the largest flexible OLED display on a foldable phone. But it doesn't end there. This display is able to seamlessly morph into multiple configurations, thanks to a novel folding system that incorporates two hinges instead of the single hinge found in conventional fold. I had heard about Huawei's engineering prowess, but seeing it in action here was truly a... First off, the device is incredibly light, weighing only 340 grams, which is remarkable considering the size and components involved. The two hinges are a testament to the hours of research and development that Huawei has poured into this device. The device features a smart multi-window manager, allowing for the simultaneous use of up to 4 apps. This transforms the Mate XT Ultimate Trifold into a productivity powerhouse. You can easily drag and drop content between windows, making multitasking a breeze. It's an achievement in mobile engineering, a testament to Huawei's relentless pursuit of innovation. Its trifolding display is a marvel, its performance is exceptional, its cameras are top tier, and its design is a blend of luxury and utility. This isn't just a device, it's a glimpse into the future of what a smartphone can be. As someone who has followed Huawei's journey in mobile technology, I'm continually impressed by the level of sophistication and innovation they bring to the table. The Mate XT Ultimate Trifold is not just a standout device, it's a symbol of what's possible when engineering excellence meets aesthetic brilliance. The large screen real estate combined with the adaptable layout ensures every window is spacious and easy to read from. Crafted from aerospace-grade materials, including a titanium alloy and high-endurance zirconium composites, they glide smoothly yet firmly, making each folding action both satisfying and reassuringly sturdy. This phone packs a 5800 mAh lithium polymer battery, split into 2 cells. The phone features a Leica-engineered quad-camera array that consists of a 108-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 12-megapixel periscope zoom camera, and a 3D depth sensor. When it comes to photography, details matter, and the Mate XT Ultimate Trifold delivers. Images are richly detailed, and the dynamic range is impressive. Colors are true to life with accurate reds and natural skin tones. The 10x optical zoom combined with the 100x digital zoom gives you unparalleled reach. And when it comes to close-ups, the 3D depth sensor ensures that the bouquet is nothing short of perfect. The multi-angle hinge positioning feature turns the device into a mini tripod, perfect for solo travelers, vloggers, and content creators. Videos are equally impressive with support for up to 8,000 recording. Advanced stabilization algorithms ensure your footage stays smooth and cinematic. Directional audio capture and live focus effects add to the overall production quality. What's impressive is how evenly weighted the device feels despite the non-uniform battery distribution. This is a testament to the thorough engineering and design that has gone into this device. The battery life itself is outstanding, easily lasting a day of moderate to heavy use. For those who need to push it further, the phone supports HarmonyOS Supercharge, enabling a 0 to 70% charge in just 20 minutes. Add to that 50 West wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, and you've got a complete package. Huawei hasn't skimped on durability either. Multi-layer protection is embedded between the panels to ensure longevity. All these elements come together to create a device that feels as luxurious as it is advanced. In fact, the Mate XT Ultimate Trifold might very well be the most evolved foldable smartphone available today. The phone's outer shell is a masterpiece of modern design. Under the hood, it's equipped with Huawei's latest Kirin 990. This processor, built on a power-efficient 5nm architecture, delivers top-notch performance. It excels in AI-driven applications, heavy multitasking, and graphically intensive tasks. So whether you're editing 4K videos, playing games, or running complex simulations, the Mate XT Ultimate Trifold handles it all with a The phone comes with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, so space and speed are not an issue either. Huawei's custom AI-based performance management ensures the phone adapts to your usage patterns. Resources are dynamically reallocated, maximizing battery life and app launch speeds. The device features a graphene-enhanced cooling system coupled with a vapor chamber, guaranteeing optimal thermal efficiency. This means prolonged periods of heavy usage don't result in noticeable heating. The Mate XT Ultimate Trifold stays cool and composed, maintaining consistent performance throughout. Polished reinforced glass meets matte finished aluminum for an elegant look and feel. There's a reason why this phone turned heads wherever I went. It's a perfect marriage of aesthetics and functionality. And that's not just because of its unique trifolding capability, although that's certainly a game changer. This folding system allows for a significantly larger screen area when unfolded, transforming the device into a mini laptop replacement. Let's explore the features and design of this remarkable device. I've had the privilege of checking out quite a few foldable smartphones over the past couple of years. When I got hands-on with this phone, I was immediately struck by its unique form factor and the level of polish Huawei has achieved. The Mate XT Ultimate Trifold lets users dictate how the phone should adapt to their needs. When folded once, it offers the convenience of a smartphone with a 6.5-inch screen. Huawei has done an exceptional job with the display quality. The old UltraVision panel offers a razor-sharp 2K plus resolution of 2408 by 2200 pixels and comes with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Whether scrolling through social media feeds, reading articles, or engaging in cinematic gaming sessions, everything looks crisp and fluid. Colors pop and contrast is excellent, all while maintaining a smooth, almost liquid-like consistency. You really have to see this screen in action to appreciate its true magnificence. Fold it again, and it transforms into a compact 5.1-inch handset. This design not only enhances usability, but also provides additional flexibility. The device can rest at various angles thanks to a multi-angle hinge positioning. This phone is not just about size. It's about how that size can be leveraged to enhance the user experience. But perhaps the biggest surprise came from the hinge. There are some other notable aspects to the design as well. In terms of performance, the Mate XT Ultimate Trifold doesn't disappoint. It's not just about power though. It's about versatility and efficiency. Now let's talk about the battery. Now let's discuss the cameras. While the Mate XT Ultimate Trifold is undoubtedly a trailblazer in design and functionality, Huawei has not sacrificed on the optics either. In conclusion, the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate Trifold isn't just a smartphone, it's a technological triumph.